If you're having trouble in CapCut and want to report a problem properly, this video will walk you through the exact steps on CapCut PC, so you can send feedback, explain the issue clearly, and attach the right files to help speed up a response. This is especially useful if you found a bug, a crash, an export problem, or anything else that's affecting your editing workflow. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the home screen to load. Once you're inside the app, look at the top right corner of the window. You should see a notifications icon, and it usually has an exclamation mark inside it. That's the menu you need for sending feedback. Click that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, choose Feedback. This is where CapCut lets you report bugs, share suggestions, and contact support. After that, you'll see different feedback types. Here, you want to choose the option for Issue because that's the correct category for reporting a problem. If you were suggesting a new feature, you'd choose Feature Request, but for bugs or errors, Issue is the one to pick. Next, CapCut will ask you to select the issue type from the available list. Take a moment to choose the one that best matches your problem, whether it's playback, export, performance, crashing, audio, or another technical issue. Picking the right category helps CapCut understand what kind of problem you're facing. After that, you'll need to describe the problem in the text box. Be as clear and specific as possible. Instead of just saying something like it doesn't work, explain exactly what happened, what you were trying to do, and what you expected to happen. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for the support team to investigate the issue. Now comes one of the most important parts. Upload a video that demonstrates the issue if you can. A screen recording is extremely helpful because it shows the problem in real time and makes it much easier for CapCut to understand what went wrong. If the problem is tied to a specific project, you should also upload the project itself. That gives the support team more context and may help them reproduce the bug more quickly. Then, fill in your contact information. It's best to use your Gmail address or another email you check regularly, so CapCut can follow up if they need more details, or if they send a solution. Once everything is filled out, review your report one last time to make sure the description, attachments, and contact info are correct. When you're ready, click Submit. Your report will be sent to CapCut support team, and they can review the issue and get back to you if needed. And that's how you report a problem on CapCut using the PC version. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing fixes, and helpful software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.